Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a tour on the Southern Coastal Highway. We are in Albion St. Thomas and we're taking a look at the finished section of the highway. So this road is going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, but they're working on the 2 lanes to the left. So we are driving on the 2 lanes on the right. But when it's finished, it's going to be 4 lanes, 2 lanes in each direction. So from Albion to the to just outside Grandspen, the highway runs along the existing roadway. So this road that we're on was the main road, and it has been upgraded from, or it's in the process of being upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So you can see the construction going on to the left of the barricade, and the section that we are on now, this side, is finished. So just to give you a quick summary of the project, the Southern Coastal Highway is to build a highway from Port Antonio in Portland to Harbour View in St. Andrew. It's being built in sections. The contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company, the main contractor. However, some sections are being built by local contractors. So the entire project, well, the project started in 2017, but it's scheduled to finish in 2025. So to the right of this road now, you can see them building the lanes. So to give you a quick summary of the alignment of the highway, from Harbour View to Port Antonio, it's 110 kilometers of highway quality road. It's going to be 4 lanes in some sections, 2 lanes in some. So, as we said, it's being built in sections. So section 1A will run from the Yallus Bridge to the Harbour View Bridge, and the Yallus Bridge in St. Thomas to the Harbour View Bridge in St. Andrew. So from the Yallus Bridge to just outside Grandspen, this is the section we are driving on now. The highway will run along the existing roadway. So that roadway will be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes and a concrete barricade put in. So that's the work that's being done now. The 2 lanes are being expanded to 4 lanes. The section of the highway we just drove on, you could see exactly that. So from Grandspen now to just outside the Suncoast Adventure Park area, the highway is going to take a new alignment. A new road has been built, same 4 lanes with a concrete barricade, bypassing the Grandspen area. So that road actually, that new alignment actually cuts across the existing main road, and so you can no longer drive on the main road to get to Grandspen, because the new alignment of the highway has taken away that section. And then when the highway comes out by the Albion area out there, it's going to run along the existing roadway back to the Suncoast Adventure Park. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to 11 Miles Bull Bay, a new road has been built over the hill. And then from 11 Miles Bull Bay to Harbour View, the highway will run along the existing roadway. So that's the alignment of section 1A. So the section we're actually driving on now, this alignment, the highway runs along the existing roadway. As we go up this road, you'll see where the new alignment starts. However, that road is not open yet, so we can't drive on it yet. So this will give you an excellent view or idea of what the highway is going to look like when it's finished. Okay, so to get to Grandspen now, you have to turn here. I'm not sure it's going to work with the traffic coming in the opposite direction, but to get to Grandspen, you turn left here now. here is the new alignment of the road. All of this is new road that has been built because normally the main road would go through Grand Spec. So this is where the new alignment of the highway starts. Okay, you see where that truck turned? When the highway is finished, you're not going to turn there. The highway is going to go straight across and take you back out. So that's the new highway being built straight ahead. But because it's not finished, we have to go on the old road now. But the highway is going to rise up to this level and it will be at the same level, and you just go straight across, and that new alignment will carry you back out close to the Suncoast Adventure Park. So this is the main road now that was here before the highway. I'm sure everybody has some memories going over these hills when these big trucks are in front of you. There's not much you can do. You just have to drive behind them until there's a clearing where you can overtake them. Same thing happens on Mount Rosser and Spur Tree Hill. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.